The marketing project we did was on behalf of the co-clubs we run in Caerphilly Library Service. So it's basically we're using social media to exhibit the resources and facilities we offer and everything that the co-club members can actually learn. So that could be computational, educational, creational skills they can learn when they attend the sessions, and using social media to translate that to our audience and our community so they can see all the services that public libraries offer.
Well, working with people like the STEM ambassadors, we've seen the history of it, where people started with the BBC computers and have gone on to coding careers. We're trying to enhance the digital futures of these kids by giving them access to the resources on-site, online, within their schools and their communities that they never would have access to. We're looking into maker spaces, Raspberry Pi jams. These only exist in places like Swansea and Cardiff. We're doing it in the Rhymney Valley, where endemically there is a level of unskilled labour. We can be using this to give them the skills to go away, have an education, bring it back to the valley, affecting the socio-economic opportunities there. And it is a great laugh. They're a cool little crowd. We lost our volunteer, so we're taking over now, and they all teared up when he went. It was such a great learning situation for them. And I just think it was one of those things where they saw the inspiration and the outcome of something more than just what they've been told is available. They're giving it and putting it in their hands.
One of the aspects of co-clubs is very welcoming, and it is a club, it's not a class. So we'd always take pictures or take videos of the members who are having fun. It's a friendly, relaxed atmosphere, and hopefully we portray that on our posts.
We don't have a marketing budget in the valleys really with our libraries, and this gives us the opportunity for the outreach. We're contacting schools who haven't worked with us in years, and they're coming back into the building. It's giving us better relationships in the community. We're working with Communities First and Communities for Work to develop these for not just children but for adults as well. And we're finding that people who haven't had a relationship with the service, who might have written their breakup letter, are coming back with a new love letter.